plant it too. Don't just eat fruit, plant it too. 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 Don't just eat fruit, plant it too. Just eat fruit, plant it too.
Hey there, what's up? So, we're gonna fly around the farm with the drone a bit today. The unique breeze, nothing special, just something cheap. Get some aerial footage of the farm, and yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna show you guys the central kitchen, the bungalows behind me. I'm in the central kitchen right now, which is still under construction. Waiting for these boards to dry, which will be dry in the next couple months, and then we'll put them out. And we'll finish the walls with some screening and some wood, and then we'll be pretty set. We'll work on the kitchen. It's really a community center, I don't know. We call it many things. La Casa Rica. Yeah. It's gonna be a nice place for everybody to hang out. And we'll see what the future brings. Hopefully in about a year we've got more of this area inhabited. Like, we'll get rows of fruit trees on the left side of the screen there. We've already started a peanut butter fruit row, but it hasn't taken very well. So right there's a Namwa banana next to one of our furthest along bungalows. It still needs doors and some of the windows and entryway, like some stairs. But it's a pretty nice thing. Here's the inside of it. We're trying to make it pretty much completely bug proof, so you don't have to have a bug net inside. You'll just be able to chill in there without bugs when there are bugs, but the view won't be so good. But you can always go outside, and there's usually not that many bugs during the day. So we're zooming around. There's 4 bungalows here. This is bungalow 3 and 4, and we're just cruising around bungalow 1 and 2. We'll give them better names in the future. And this is a unknown fruit I found. It's got latex when it's unripe, but it's pretty sweet. Sometimes I run, like when there's a big ass storm coming. Thank you. Muy loco. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video of the central kitchen bungalow area in late 2017 and 2018.
And don't waste anything. Don't use up too much stuff, because you gotta care about the land. Hope you enjoyed that. That was a video of the farm and some drums in the office.